everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix Play Store problem in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if your Play Store is not downloading any apps in your device Infinix Hot 20, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix Play Store problem in your device.